Good morning, guys. This is Alan here, and I know I didn't create a video yesterday. I was feeling a little sick, so didn't really do too much. Took a small L, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, I wanted to share over today's trade, where I was looking at price to draw lower into this new week opening range gap, constant encroachment, and I was shorting from here. Price drops a little bit lower. I just kind of took a little piece and just got out. And obviously price runs higher. This buy side I noted out here. Price drops lower, kind of falls short of it, and then runs higher. First presented February gap drawdown time. Price is kind of trading that to that now. I was contemplating a short around here when price ran up, trading this inefficiency here. Just take out to these lows here and then eventually here. As you can see, it takes some time, but eventually gets there. But yeah, this level here is kind of where I took a long. So as price runs higher, trading up into this lower quadrant of the 90-minute wick, this wick right here, I'm looking for price to kind of come up to the upper quadrant, come short of it, drops lower. I try to long it. I get stopped out first, and then I re-enter for a long to eventually kind of get back up there. I'll show you the entries, guys, over here. So let's go with shorts. As you can tell, price is running short, short, short. Price runs lower, I get out, right? And I fade the rest of this move. I let price move. And so I try to long here, stops me out here. Re-enter for longs when I see price coming back up. Partial out here, right? Partial out here, partial out here, partial out here, and then last trade I just closed out here because it was kind of stalling a little bit too long. I just decided to close it here. Eventually, still pretty solid day overall. 524 on 3 accounts, so nothing too crazy. I did have a personal lockout just because I was like kind of looking in. I was like kind of being tempted to go back in price. Like I said, I was looking for price kind of roll over, take out this low, trade into first presented again, which it kind of does right here. You guys can see it right there. Trades down into the first presented, tags it perfectly into that constant encroachment of that, and the October 27 new opening gap high. Probably have some response a little bit higher. We got buy side here, and then I don't think it should come back up here, but overall, very, very solid trade. And I just didn't want to be part of it anymore. I was like, hey, let's just lock it out, because it's a lot easier to just have a lockout, like, just lock yourself out, than like tell yourself, oh yeah, I'm gonna stop trading, and then look at the charts, and then you might go back in the trade. But it's part of it. It's part of being a trader. You just kind of do what you gotta do to protect yourself from yourself. So yeah, I was looking at this. I was like, dang, I really wanted to short this, but I was like, hey, let's just call it a day. It's been a good day. Took a loss yesterday. He made it back and some. So pretty good trading day, I would say. This would be the ideal short, or even this one here for it to come lower for that new first presented February gap. But yeah, with that, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, like I said, if you guys want me to do something, I kind of want to start or like go back to the Discord and just start doing streams for you guys, just because I know it's gonna be a little bit better, since I have gonna try to have more time. But I do have some trips planned in December and January, so it would probably most likely be after January. But if that's something you guys are interested in, just let me know. And yeah, because I like to keep myself like low key, be a little bit more private with trading, but at the same time, I know a lot of you guys are interested and follow what I do. So, and I appreciate you guys for that. I love and support you guys. Hope you guys make it as well. But yeah, with that, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe. And yeah, good luck and good trading, you guys.